Yeah, bubbly. A shark. I like that.
Hi guys, welcome to Rosie's Adventure Time. Today we're at the beach. Can you believe it? I love the beach and it is so much fun. Look at the sand. I love it. Let's go have a good time. Ah.
Bubbly.
It is bubbly.
Hi guys. I will fall down because I like that. That was scary funny.
That was scary?
Yeah.
So scary. What are you doing, Pinkie Pie?
I'm trying to get wet. Oh my guys. Yeah.
We gotcha!
That was scary!
That was so scary!
Hey guys!
What?
I went fall down and I got scared!
It's so scary.
Yeah!
The water, man. The water, it just comes. It just comes.
Hey! I went fall down!
Ah!
The big one!
Oh no! Don't lose me, y'all! Oh.
Guys! You want to go in the water with me?
Who wants to go in the water with Pinkie Pie?
You! And Applejack.
Applejack? I don't really want to go in the water, y'all. I think I'm just going to stay up here and watch you.
Okay.
How about you? Whoa, I guess she wanted to go. A scary wave.
We're okay. Yeah.
What is that?
This is Applejack. We're going fast all day.
What?
We'll go fishing all day.
Okay.
Hey, you want to go to the water with me?
Oh, I don't know. Is it cold?
Oh, yeah.
It is?
It's kind of...
Does it feel good? I love water that feels good.
It's almost fun and...
So much fun.
Good jump. Whoa. Okay.
Ah!
Yeah, that's good. Way back right now. Oh, get me back.
Oh. You okay, Pinkie Pie?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, your face is covered in sand. Is that better?
Yeah.
Woo!
A shark!
A shark! Where? Right there in the waves. What are we gonna do?
Get out of here!
Let's get out of here.
Yes!
What about the other ponies?
There's no shark.
There's no shark.
No.
Did it go away?
Yes.
It swam away.
Hey, it is.
Okay. Woo! That was a close one, guys.
I'm not shark again. I'm not the shark. I don't like water.
Baby Blue doesn't like water.
I try. I'm all clean.
You're all clean.
Yeah.
You look great. Woo! Was that refreshing?
Yes. Happy Jane. I don't like water.
Oh no.
Uh,
What are we gonna do?
you put me in the water.
Oh, we're okay. We made it. And we're all clean now. Uh-oh. Tyler, you fell down the cliff.
No way!
Watch out. Oh, no. Down to the water. Whoa. It did get you all wet.
I'm okay. Me too. Oh my God! Okay.
Oh, should we get in the water? I don't know. Is the water cold?
Yes.
It looks so nice though. And wet. Is water wet? I think